conservation park, guys. Let's put different Australian birds here, guys. And just hearing all these finches and birds and robins, guys, that some of the robins that you don't see in Brisbane, they're here, guys. Bring your camera in, and if you like taking pictures of nature, I highly recommend you get here, guys. It's beautiful. There's a lot of tourists coming and seeing the wildlife here. It's a place you want to bring your kids to, guys. Look how beautiful. Families of egresses.